Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 18 Beta 3 re-release. Yes, Apple has released the iOS 18 Beta 3 again. Yeah, the part 2. In this video, we are going to talk about what's new in this update. This is going to be a quick little episode because it is just a quick little update for us. iOS 18 Beta 3 is released again. The only reason why it is released again is because it has some serious security fixes, and apart from that, the build number is different. Why? Because iOS 18 public beta 1 is about to be released, and this will have the same build number as the public beta. So this is the only reason why Apple has released the iOS 18 beta 3 again. Apart from that, there are some subtle changes, and definitely it is much more stable compared to earlier because it is a public beta. So yeah, it has to be stable. In terms of battery life, it is bit too early right now for me to comment about it, but don't worry, I will be coming up with my follow-up video later this week, so make sure to check that video out for that. But as of now, the battery life seems pretty okay-ish. But yeah, I will be letting you guys know over on my Twitter @TechHyped and on my videos later this week. Coming back to the topic, that is iOS 18 Beta 3, I freed up about 600 MBs of storage after installing this update on my iPhone 14, and about 1 GB on my iPhone 11, and about 800 MBs on my iPhone 10R. And talking about anything new, there are no new features or changes as such on this update. We will be having new features and changes coming up next week on iOS 18 Beta 4. So yeah, look out for that update. It is coming out really soon. And talking about iOS 18 Beta 3, my experience till now, I have been having some bugs and resprings on my device. I hope so. Fingers crossed that iOS 18 Beta 3 re-release that we have just installed on our devices, this update have to fix these issues, because I have experienced some weird bugs, and especially resprings. I have had a lot of them. Even in between calls, I have had times when my phone just restarted out of nowhere. So yeah, I hope so. Fingers crossed that this is now fixed on the iOS 18 Beta 3 re-release. There is not a lot to talk about here, so I won't waste time talking about the same things again and again. Only thing that you have to know is that this has updated build number, a better stable software, some bug fixes, and the build number is the same as the public beta. So yeah, that is it. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and I am signing off. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.